Okay, class, this is Professor Yu again. I see some of you having a difficulty in getting access to the lecture. So here's a quick tip on how to do it. So go to RPI LMS from the Google, and then you can type on your email, RPI email, and your password. Once you do that, and you go to the chemistry section, and then click on the announcement. So let me switch to the student mode so that you can see what I see. And there is a course information is the most important one. And here is the most important one. So depending on your section number, you are taking one of those lectures and you click on here. So currently Dr. Ma's class is currently going on. So you click on here and make sure you kind of copy this, copy the section code. So I'm going to do copy that. You click on here. And then you type it in and it leads you to this web browser address. So once again, you have to type it in, your RPI email address, and then you go to here one more time. Sorry about that, but this is how the WebEx contract with RPI works. So you're here. Okay, so now you are into the WebEx training, and this section is for the lectures, and they're requiring you to ask the session password. So you just do the Control V, and then join now. Hopefully they remember, and I see a click sign there. So this is how the things start working. When one last tip here, you probably would not hear if the setting is not there. Okay, so you see here this use a computer to join these audio conferences, right? So make sure you click on here, call using computer, and then now start test. And you might not need to probably. So
that you probably just gone through in lecture,
so now
and
it's working now. So
on other issues such as campus and student life related.
so this is how you connect and then getting used to it. So I'm kind of hopping in the middle of Dr. Ma's lectures, and you can see him on the corners. Okay, so where else can I find this information? So this is a WebEx training, which is lectures are being done by WebEx training, and like I mentioned that WebEx team is for handling the discussion sections, and also I just learned that the WebEx training, WebEx team, which looks like this kind of icon, and that's the one that we are using it to handle the test and tomorrow's GTR. This section. So where do I find my section numbers? This is essentially RPI class hours. I think I mentioned here in the previous video, but just in case you want to know, and click on here, and then it will lead you to the RPI call fall class hours, and then just call Control F, and probably I would just say Dr. Ma, so Ma, M-A. Oh, that's too much, so I would do RYU. Yes, probably. Yeah, so this is my name, but you can see that this is all the sections. You see the Chem 1, and you see the Chem 1 with dash 4. That's a section 4. So section 4, your lecture is 10:10 with the Dr. Kumelski. Section 5, you're with the Dr. Taiso at 12:20 p.m. So this is how you find out. Okay, so I just make this short video and hope this one works out for you, and good luck. Thank you.